Meanwhile, as indicated earlier, the opposition has been clamoring for the report to be released in the past few weeks. Today, the Integrity Commission, which replaces the Office of the Contractor General, responded to that call. In a release, the chairman of the Integrity Commission, Justice Carl Harrison, presented a timeline showing that the report could not come earlier. Justice Harrison said while the initial version of the Rooms report was received on July 25, 2018, a detailed review agreed that the validity of certain of the substantive conclusions was doubtful and could be open to serious questioning if read by an objective person. It said that report was reviewed after discussions with the former Contractor General and the final draft submitted on March 1, 2019. The Integrity Commission went on to indicate that the former Contractor General then said he will make no further changes to the report, after which the parties adversely implicated were allowed to respond. The last response was received on April 9, 2019, and instructions given to send the report and the responses off to Parliament. Then at a meeting held last Monday, April 22, the decision was made to submit the report to Parliament on April 29, including responses from the affected parties.